Hi Apartment Therapy, I'm Katie and welcome to my 500 square foot studio apartment in San Diego, California. I draw a lot of inspiration from hotels. A lot of it has to do with having what you need where you need it. Like if you want to read at night, there's going to be a bedside lamp, or if you want to unload all your clothes, there's a dresser with space for you to do so. I think learning how to take care of a plant and not killing it feels like a major accomplishment. I love vintage gold mirrors, and I already have too many, but sometimes I'll just sit and scroll through OfferUp staring at vintage gold mirrors wanting to buy them. I already have two that I'm storing under the sofa, and I don't have the wall space, but my biggest splurge is definitely my sofa. It's the West Elm Harmony sofa, and it's the sofa of my dreams. Sometimes I prefer to sleep on that than in my bed. Storage in a studio can be really difficult. One of my biggest hurdles has been storage in the kitchen. Oven shelves look cute, but man, they're a lot of work. First of all, they don't really work that well for like storing my food, and they collect a lot of dust. For me, the trick is sneaky storage. Sneaky storage is using things that are really aesthetically pleasing to hold all of your junk. So I've actually utilized the space behind my couch for storing my wine and my canned goods. When you see clutter, your mind recognizes it like as a problem, and you start to feel anxiety. So it's better to have a place for everything so your mind isn't like constantly trying to solve the problem of where should this go. It's also really freeing to let go of stuff too. It feels really good. It feels so good not to have a bunch of stuff that you don't need that just drags you down. One thing that I found to be really helpful is I have a big basket that's just for stuff that something needs to be done with, because what would happen is it would just sit all over my counter or sit next to the door. Just making one space for all of that has cleared up a ton of clutter. When approaching a design project, I start with the layout, but what I really want to focus on is the feeling. I definitely want to walk in my front door and feel that when I come in, all the stress disappear and just be calm. I always was into dinosaurs. Like even as a kid, I think, and my favorite movie is Jurassic Park, and I just think they're really cool. Too bad they're not still around.